My name is Cordell Wells. I am a service technician for Atlas Copco in the New England area. I'm a very proud military veteran. I spent 18 years in the Army. When you're a mobile technician, no 2 days are the same. This is really a balanced job. It's not just wrench turning. You can learn about our controllers. There's always something to learn. As a service technician, I am seen as their trusted advisor. I recommend repairs. I give them advice on their compressed air systems. You really get to feel that you are part of the customer's team. Whenever I talk to people, I tell them about the job as much as I can. Atlas Copco really cares about all of their employees. I like working for the company. I actually love it. There's not another job or another company that I would want to work for.